Good morning everyone. Today we're going to go and take the bus from the same bus stop. Okay, hopefully we don't have to wait 45 minutes and then take 45 minutes bus ride. Yesterday was super tiring. We walked from
around 10k step.
not a lot for some of you, but we walked from morning till night until the bones in our feet feel like they're going to snap anytime. But luckily, I think because we bought like proper walking shoes. Instead, probably help to save our feet. I think it will be worse. Normally we try to wear shoes that are more closely mimicking barefoot walking, because that's the most healthy for your feet. They don't get squeezed into some kind of odd shape.
Provided your walking posture is correct also. If you are stomping all the way, it doesn't work.
Yeah. But for long distance walking, whole day walking, is still better to have proper shoes.
Cushion.
Yeah. Let's go to the bus. We have yesterday there was the bench right over here. It's gone now. What happened? We can't even sit. We should be able to take any of these buses. 5, 25, 28, 29. We can't take bus 8.
星空 9 stop.
9 stop.
星光三月
Assassin's Creed shop. It's the tissue shop. Transformers toys. That's why we're here for. This is the only Studio Series Optimus Primal we found. Smash. So that's the vegetable dumpling noodles, fried rice, veggie, hot and spicy soup. I got 2 Monster Hunter blind boxes. Later we'll open and see which one we get. counterpart, Megatron. Wow. We are having dinner at Otoya Japanese restaurant. We used to have this in Singapore, but apparently all of them shut down. Still doing well in Taiwan, I guess. Sukiyaki, nabe bowls, I guess. Other than that, soup, rice, chicken, eel. Got some noodles as well if you want noodles. Kids meal, dessert. Okay, let's wait for our food to come here. We noticed something funny with the menu. Page 24 and page 20.
And then there's also
Every page is
page 23
duplicated.
and page 22. There's also, is it page 22? And page 22.
What is going on? Yeah, food is here. Vegetables, soup, rice. Vegetable, soup, rice. Vegetable, soup, rice. Hot day, eat hot pot. Bye bye. Taking a short walk after dinner to our bus stop. It's actually getting a bit cold.
Strong wind.
Strong wind. I'm not wearing. I didn't bring my jacket.
Out
Haha.
today.
So holy shit, we're on the bus right now, but the guy was speeding past our bus stop. We almost couldn't get on the bus.
We thought he wouldn't stop. We're like, hey! And then he stopped like one bus length away and then run. We run after him.
Now let's try the sea grapes. It's a Okinawa food that's commonly served at bars and izakaya. So it's some kind of seaweed that has these protruding nodules that look like disease.
Hey! I'm not gonna eat this. Don't
Okay.
spoil my appetite.
It's crunchy, and they say it bursts in your mouth, the juice, and it's salty. It tastes like the sea. It goes well also with beer, so that's what I got. And then we got chips. Let's try. This is a long. Wow, super salty. And
Very salty.
it is like eating fish roll, salmon roll,
Oh, you don't like?
but it does not have the fish smell. It's just very, very salty.
Like burst of salty sea, the flavor of the sea in your mouth. Hey, go watch for me.
Okay, let's try this with the beer. Take one long strand. I think it's okay. The beer kind of washes down the salty flavor,
We should try
and
this.
then you can try this. These are
Oyster omelette flavored potato chips.
蚵仔煎，
蚵仔煎
蚵仔煎 oyster flavor chips. Very good.
Nice, right? Goes well with beer also.
This is like bar food night.
Yeah. Randomly found this in Donkey.
And then I showed them. This is sea grapes. I think very few people have tried this before, unless they've been to Okinawa. Interesting. It's a very new texture. Some might not be able to accept it.
If you are like, you have phobia of salmon roll, ebi roll, all kinds of fish roll, then this is very similar, so you may not like it.
But minus the fishy taste.
There's no fishy taste, just the texture is like balls of liquid bursting.
It's a bit sticky, right? Slimy feeling.
Slightly slimy feel.
Yeah. Cool. So if you want, you can try it. Sea grapes.
See if you can find it in Donkey when you are here in Taiwan.
Alright, we're back. I'm gonna open up these two exciting things. Monster Hunter Blind Box Volume 1 and Volume 2. So apparently it's already released until Volume 25. So these are actually quite old. But they contain some of the monsters that I really like. You can see Brachydios, Xenoger, the very original generation ones. Lagia, this guy is the most best. Kushala Daura, Retalos, Azul Retalos, Tigrex, Go Magala. These are the newer ones. Okay, super cool. Okay, let's start with Volume 1. Apparently you also get some cards. Okay, I'll open this. When I chose this, I specifically tried to see, tried to feel which one was the heaviest ones, and this one was the most heavy. So let's hope it's something good. Is Kushala. This one. Oh, always feel with your hands the heavy one. The heavier it is, the better. This is the big one as well. Gigantic wings. But actually, I wouldn't have minded any one of these because these are all really cool. Especially Lagia. I really like Lagia. And of course, Xenoger, all-time favorite. Open this up. I don't have scissors, so I'm just going to plug this open. Apparently, my wife says she has scissors. In the meantime, this is the trading card. It shows Kushala in the upright pose. It's always nice to carry a small pair of travel scissors. This is the stand. Oh, super cool. It's all silver painted. Highly detailed. You can see all the scales. And then the mouth. Say cheese. But he cannot say cheese. He can only say ah. Let's put him in his stand. So impressive. Right, you have this thing sitting on your desk. It's gonna be so cool. Let's take a look at this trading card. '20th anniversary. Next one, we have the newer, well, not exactly newest, Volume 2, next generation of monsters. Same thing, you got cards that come along with this. When we bought this one, right, there's only one piece left. Wasn't able to feel how heavy it is. So this one is just purely based on luck, what we get. What is this? So many pieces. Oh, it's this guy. Baru Farouk. shows the hunter attacking the monster. Now let's open up this thing. So many parts. There's a stand, and then there's a tail, the wing, the body, and then the other wing. The wing? Wow. It's a very special looking wing. Body. It's another silvery looking beast. And the other wing and the other tail. Let's assemble this thing together. Pardon me as I try to figure out which direction these things go. There we go. And the tail. Oh, look at this thing. So yeah, Monster Hunter Volume 1 and Volume 2. See you.